But yeah, it's just up to you to find out which ones to put them on.
Yep. दाने वाली वीडियो वो वीडियो करेगा नहीं आगे के बैठे बैठे ट्राई करिए ना
So you're ready?
Yep.
Holding it up, nothing's tangled. Your yellow end's your leader.
Yep.
So that goes in the right side. Round to the left.
Yep.
Bring it to the top of the tyre. Clip it up.
Yep.
Make sure that's clipped up properly. And holding onto that chain, do not let it go.
Yep.
This last link, so the very last one, gets clipped up into this clip. When that's done, then you push that to the back of the tyre.
Yep.
Don't forget to push it back. It has to be all the way back, so it's following the wall all the way around.
Yep.
From here, you then slide that long skinny chain into that red bit.
Yep.
Tighten it up, and then you can go through those plastic bits.
Yep.
Or otherwise, just go straight through like that. Which is a much easier.
Yep.
So those things, in case those things break.
Okay.
So just slip it through there. Drive forward a little bit, jump out, check it. Just drive a couple of meters. Jump out, check it, and you'll be able to tighten that again. This is self-tensioning, so you'll be able to tighten that. Just have it as tight as you can get it.
Yep.
The tighter it is, the better it is. Less chance of them breaking.
Yes.
Yep. So to take them off, you just go back the way you came. So pulling that bit up a bit, unclipping that clip. You can get it unclipped. Yep. And then again, don't let it go. Undo that clip up there.
Yep.